Hi friends, welcome to hyderabadhub.com. Do you feel English very tough? Do you have any difficulty in understanding, speaking or writing English? Don't worry. Today, I will tell you 3 secrets of effective English communication skills. English is made easy. Enjoy learning English from our channel. Learn English from any place at any time convenient to you. Speak to people confidently. Speak like an expert. Before we begin the tutorial, please watch these clips taken from the speech of Colombian singer Shakira Isabel Maverick.